back to the channel. We got a product review today. We're gonna go ahead and wash the car. It's been about 2 months since we washed the car with everything going on with coronavirus. Let's get a look at it and see how dirty it is. Here's the products we're gonna be doing today for my sponsor. Car off, so we're gonna go ahead and do that and then move on to the wheels. All right, so with the wheel cleaner, it says to spray it on the wheels, let it sit for about 30 seconds, and then we're gonna touch it up with the brush. Can't find my wheel cleaner brush. I have another brush that I used to use on my other cars, so we're gonna try that out. Let's see how it works on the tires too. We'll see. As you can see right here, you can see some of the dirt already coming off the car. I mean, off the wheel. And if you look down right here at this part, you can see the actual like brake residue and all that gunk and dirt right there in the ground too as well. So it seems to be doing a pretty good job so far. Let it sit for a little bit more. So it's been about 30 seconds, and as you see, everything's coming right off. I'm gonna go ahead and hose it down again and see how it looks. I may have to touch it up one more time. We'll see. Okay. See, this is just one application of the wheel cleaner. Came out pretty good. Only sit on it for 30 seconds. Probably gonna touch it again one more time and just get a little bit better result, but so far so good. All right, so we got the car rinsed off, wheels clean. We're gonna go ahead and get the color foam. We're gonna put it inside here. You're supposed to do like 4 ounces, but they say add a little bit more if you want more color in the foams and more suds. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do about 8 ounces. Guys, got the foam cannon loaded up. See the colors, the blue edition. Let's go ahead and test it out. Back to the channel. We're gonna go ahead and get a little cruise in. Let's see if this GoPro setup works. First time doing it, just testing it out. Please comment on this video. Let me know if I should switch up the angle, the view, whatever it might be. Oh wow, we don't have any gas. I don't know if you guys can see that. usually wait till Tuesdays. I don't know if you guys are hip. On Tuesdays at Shell, it's 10 cents off. And I also have a fuel rewards card for my business, so it's like almost 20 cents off. So I might put a little 93 in there. We'll see. Might get a little rain today, but we'll work with it. Open sesame. So doing this POV shot, we'll see what happens. So you guys will notice, you're gonna see me switching from the paddles to the shifter. It's a habit. I did have a manual transmission car, so it feels more comfortable shifting with this than it does with the paddles. So you'll see me do it, going back and forth. I know it may give someone a seizure or something, but you guys think the Jetta wants the Gaparoni? Stage 2's been fun. you guys are wondering, my brake sensor is non-existent. That's why it's showing up. But who needs brakes? Sandwich between those shifts. So the reason why I'm not shifting hard is because I threw a code yesterday for it's pressure inside the transmission solenoid or something like that, you guys. I don't know, but I'm gonna take the car over to Scott over in Deutschwurx. Shout out to that commenter, and we're gonna get that checked out. Shouldn't be anything too serious. This guy's sleeping at the light. Get gapped. Raindrops. Look good. Geez, my secret hideout's been compromised. This is where I used to come, but it looks like everyone's getting hit. And it's starting to rain, so we may have to head back soon. But what I'll do is do a quick walk around of the car before we turn back. Here's the car. Hope you guys can see this. Shout out. You guys get hit. Don't mind the dirty engine bay. Yep, engine's still there. Little V6 that could.